Hi there, this is Patricia from Create and Crochet, and I decided to make a new welcome video for my channel. So welcome. And if you're watching this, you've probably found your way here through one of my more popular videos like the purple headband or the granny square blanket or the crochet scarf for beginners. And just to let you know, I have a lot of wonderful videos here on this channel, a lot of tutorials, and I invite you to explore my channel. You can just click on the name of my channel below the video here, and that'll take you over to my main page, and there's all sorts of playlists there with different types of fun videos. One of my favorite playlists is the freeform crochet, and if you've not tried freeform crochet, I encourage you to explore that. It's such a fun and creative style of crochet. And you will notice also that I have some other types of videos here related to create and heal. So I have some things like dot painting videos and some wire work and jewelry. And I also have guided meditations. And you may wonder, how do guided meditations fit in with crochet? And actually, crochet is a form of active meditation. And there have been studies done. I actually wrote an article about that on my blog of how crochet or any kind of needlework where you're working with both hands is really good at calming down the nervous system. And especially if you have a very busy mind or even have, some sort of trauma, it can be really calming. So I invite you to explore that. And there was something else I was going to say about the playlist. I don't remember. But I do give quite a bit of information in my videos, and some of the videos can be quite long, and I sometimes get comments where people criticize me for going on and on. But the way I look at it is that if you're new to crochet, I want to include every step possible so that you have a successful project. And if you don't know all the steps, then it can make all the difference between the project being successful and not. If you do know, well, you can just skip ahead. It's no problem. That's the lovely thing about video tutorials. You can move forward. And one of the other criticisms I get is I go too fast. Well, in that case, there is a setting on YouTube where you can click on the gear icon below the video, and there's something called playback speed, and you can choose 0.75, and that slows the video down so you can see things more slowly. There you go. There's some options there. The other thing is with all my projects, there is always a blog post that is related to the video, and it'll have all the content related to whether I'm referring to other crochet projects that are being used, or other tutorials or products or whatever. And if you go on ... more below the video, that'll take you to the description box, and there'll always be a blog post there. There's most often a written pattern, but I don't always have written patterns. And I do have a few patterns for sale on my Ravelry store where you can download a PDF pattern, and then you're not subjected to the advertisements either on my blog or here on YouTube. So yeah, I think that's everything. I know there's something else, but I don't remember. Anyways, I just want to wish everyone all the best over the holiday season and wish you a very blessed and creative new year. Thank you for joining me.